the winter solstice, the shift from darkness into light, giving us a sense of hope. Today we're going to flow with this energy, starting slow to honor the darkness and going into more fluid movements that are aligned with the hope and the light. Let's begin by coming onto our backs today, hugging your knees in for Apanasana. Bring your palms to the same side knee and draw circles with your knees, bringing them in, opening out to the side, away and back together, releasing any tension from your hips. Reverse. And release your feet to the mat. For butterfly, Supta Baddha Konasana, bring the soles of your feet together and allow your knees to open. Bring your awareness to your breath and ease into the slow moment, into the stillness. Gently bring your knees together and cross your left leg over your right, like eagle legs, allowing both knees to fall to the right while extending your left arm out to the side. Your right hand is resting on your upper knee. Close your eyes and breathe. Come back to center and let's switch sides. Cross your right leg over your left and let your knee sink to the left side. Right arm extends, left hand comes to your knee. Unwind, hug both knees in for Apanasana, maybe taking a gentle rock from side to side. And then rock yourself up for 3, 2, and on your last one, come into boat pose. Hold it. And make your way into downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs, bending one knee at a time to let go of any tension. Find stillness, and for spinal waves, roll forward into plank, shoulders come in front of your wrists, and then bend your knees to lift up, down dog, leading with your hips. 4 more, roll forward, and downward facing dog. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to downward facing dog. And extend your left leg back into 3-leg dog. Bring your left knee forward and extend back. Now step forward into your warrior 1. And interlace your hands behind your back while lifting your gaze. Bring your left shoulder to your left knee. And rise up, reaching both arms up as you inhale. And exhale, open your hips for warrior 2, arms out to the side. Stretch back into peaceful warrior. And forward side angle, front elbow to your front knee. Again, peaceful warrior, this time extending your front leg. And side angle, elbow to knee or lowering your hand to the mat. You can stay here or come into a bind if that's within your practice today. Unwind, ground your right hand and come into a lunge twist, your left arm reaching back, rolling onto the outer edges of your feet. Turn forward, framing the front foot with your hands, and release the left leg into 3-leg dog again. Bend your knee and allow your hips to open. For Wild Thing, let your left toe sink down behind you, turning your chest and hips up to the sky, opening your heart. Let's add some movement by lowering your hips, upper arm circles back, and lift up into your Wild Thing. Twice more, lower your hips and rise up. Once more. Hold your Wild Thing. Come back to 3-leg dog, left leg reaches back, And release your left knee to your left wrist like pigeon. Now swing your back leg forward for cow face, stacking your knees, your feet come close to your hips. Inhale, find length, and exhale, fold forward. Again, inhale, grow tall, exhale, fold. Once more. And now stay lifted or release your upper body over your legs, finding the variation that feels best for you today. We're staying here for a couple of breaths, so relax and observe the sensations in your body. Carefully lift your upper knee and place the right foot next to the outside of your left knee. Twist your upper body to the right, hugging the right knee with your left arm, your right hand grounded, you're gazing to the right, maybe closing your eyes. If you'd like to go deeper, bring the left elbow to the outside of your right knee. To release, find your side plank on your left hand and left knee. Ground your right hand and extend your left leg back for single leg plank. Keep the leg lifted or ground for plank, and with your next inhalation shift forward, exhale bend your elbows chaturanga. Inhale up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Well done. Let's go to the other side. Extend your right leg into three-leg dog. And draw your right knee forward. Extend it back, three-leg dog. And step between your hands for warrior one. Interlacing your hands behind your back. Now bring your right shoulder to your right knee. And rise up, reaching your arms up as you inhale and exhale, warrior two. Stretch back into peaceful warrior. And forward for side angle, elbow to knee. Again, peaceful warrior, your front leg extends. And side angle, elbow to knee or hand to the mat. Coming into a bind if that's within your practice today. Unwind, ground your left hand and open to the right, coming into a lunge twist. right arm reaches back, rolling onto the outer edges of your feet. Turn forward, framing the front foot, and release the right leg into three-legged dog. Bend your knee and open your hips. For Wild Thing, lower the ball of your right foot down behind you, coming into this beautiful back bend. Now begin to lower your hips as your upper arm circles back and lift up again. Twice more. Once more. Hold your Wild Thing. And come back to your three-legged dog, right leg reaches back. Draw your right knee to your right hand like pigeon. And swing your back leg forward for cow face. Knees stacked, your feet close to your hips. Growing tall on your inhalation, and as you exhale, fold down. Twice more. Inhale, grow tall, and exhale, release. Once more. And come into the variation that serves you today, tapping into the stillness of this pose, of the season, taking your time to rest and relax. Carefully lift your upper knee and come into your twist by placing your left foot next to your right knee and twisting to the left. Hug your left knee with the opposite arm, gazing to the left side and maybe closing your eyes. Again, you can bring the elbow to the outside of your knee to deepen the twist. Slowly unwind and find your side plank on your right hand and knee. Ground your left hand and extend your right leg for single leg plank. Keep the leg lifted or ground for plank, and with your next inhalation shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a few steps or light up forward and make your way into a cross-legged position. Gently place both hands onto your heart. Close your eyes, connecting to yourself and to the sense of stillness and presence within you. Taking it with you as you continue your day. Bring your palms together and bow down, thanking yourself for taking time out of your day to do something good for your well-being. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have the most beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye!